Hi there, this is Kathy Hobart, your Instructional Technology Specialist at Northeast ISD. I'm going to share with you today one of my most favorite extensions that makes my workflow really easy when I'm sharing files. So in my current position, I do a lot of creating and sharing, and I want to make giving people copies of their files really easy. So a lot of times when I'm assigning things to Google Classroom or I'm, going to share a Pear Deck lesson, people have to own their own copy before they can assign it or run it in one of those programs. So let's take a look at how we can make this the sharing of those files really easy. So this is my original file. I'm going to use an extension today called Sir Links a Lot. So if you don't already have the extension, if you go in your Google, go to the App Store. So I clicked up here on the left, or you can just search for Chrome Web Store. We're going to actually go into the Chrome Web Store to get our extension. So once I'm here, I just click Sir, and it's pretty smart. It's going to find it, and this is the extension I'm going to install. I already have it, but you will click Add to Chrome. Now, your extensions live up here in your browser bar, and extensions allow you to do additional things um, when you're working in the Chrome browser. So it lets you kind of do other magical things. So Sir Links a Lot works with Google Slides, Google Forms, Google Docs, but it allows you to create a different kind of link that forces people to copy so they don't have to open the link and click File, make a copy. You're going to be able to give them a link that's not going to mess with your original. So if he's living up here right now, if he's not living there, if you click your little puzzle piece and scroll down and find him, you can click the little pin and that will make him live up here in the browser bar. So I need to be in one of those applications, Slides, Docs, Forms. First thing I want to do is click my share button and make sure I have my sharing permissions set to anyone with a link or anyone at Northeast with a link. So I can do that, change that by coming down here and just toggling. So it's fine to do anyone with a link or anyone with Northeast, either one. So now I have completed my file. I want to go ahead and share this with my team. I'm going to click my Sir Links a Lot because I've pinned him up here. And it allows me to create different types of copy links. So I can do forced copy. So I click forced copy, do copy link to clipboard. And then to show you what that looks like, when I click up here, this gives them a forced copy link. They click make a copy, and then that makes a copy in their own drive, which is okay. But my Google Drive is absolutely packed with things that I've clicked make a copy of, and then I open it and I say, I didn't really want that. So my favorite one to use is I click Sir Links a Lot. I go to template and then copy link to clipboard. And this one opens a little differently to show you what it looks like. So I'm going to paste that in now. And it gives them kind of a preview so they can kind of look through and see what the lesson looks like or see what the station looks like. And then they're going to click the blue use template in the upper right. So you've got all your little tools down here to kind of look through, see what the lesson looks like. When they click use template, that then makes them forces their own copy in their drive, and then they can assign it to Classroom or you run it through Pear Deck, whatever they prefer. So again, you want to be in one of those applications, grab the Sir Links a Lot extension, and then, like I said, you'll click the type of copy link you want and then copy link to clipboard. And that is the link that you would post in the lesson plans or whatever to share with your team. So I hope that's helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I am always happy to help. Thanks.